guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and in today's video I want to do a Ariana Grande inspired makeup look. The one in her recent music video, No Tears Left to Cry. So I'm going to start with foundation, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in 105. So, Ariana Grande's skin is bronzed, mine isn't, but I'm not like super pale anyways, but I'll just bronze up with my bronzer afterwards. So I don't really have a silver glitter, a grey glitter, so I'm going to use an eyeshadow, a shimmer eyeshadow from a palette, from a Too Faced palette, and some Fix Plus, and we'll see how that goes. So now that I have my foundation, I'm going to do my eyes, and I'm going to use this palette from Too Faced. This is from a holiday collection. So I'm going to start with a soft brown in my crease. Now I'm going to take a darker brown. I can show you my palette because it's filthy. It's so dirty. So I'm just applying this color lower on my crease. So this color I'm going to blend it very well. Right now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to jump into that glitter, and the shadow is actually called Glittered. So I'm going to apply some Fix Plus on the brush and then apply the glitter. This is the first coat, and I'm going to do another layer. And that is the second layer, and I'm just going to do another layer, but very pressed, and just in the middle part with the same eyeshadow, more Fix Plus, and very pressed just on the middle part. This is not going to show as a glitter because it's not a glitter, but it's somewhere near. Right now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and for that I need a smaller precise brush because I just want to do a line that will not be blended with the same brown that I used in my crease to darken it, and just on my lower lash without blending it. I might need a more darker shade. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to take a more warmer brown, but it's darker. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink liner, my favorite. I'm going to do that little line with glitter underneath the eyeliner. Right now I'm going to keep going with my face, then do my brows, and then apply mascara. And on my nose. Now I'm going to apply a little bronzer, this one from Makeup Forever. I'm going to apply a blush, and then I'm going to apply Luminoso from Milani. I'm going to take the highlight from the Too Faced palette and apply it. I'm going to do my brows last because my battery is dying. I'm going to do my lips, and then I will come back with my brows and the mascara on and film my outro. So my battery died right when I was about to tell you what I'm using for my lips. So for my lips I've used the Boysenberry Silhouette liquid lipstick, and on top I've used the NYX Sweetheart lip gloss. For my mascara I've used the MAC 3D Black Lash. And for my brows I've used the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and the Rimmel Brow This Way styling gel. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!